the mkdir command is used to create directories, and here let's actually write our mkdir, how it looks like here. So mkdir, let's actually make directory here, basically make dir. So here, in order to work with mkdir here, you're gonna firstly use the mkdir, and after that you will enter the directory name. So here that when 3 periods follow an argument in the description of a command, here for example my dir1, so it means that the argument can be repeated. So those here with this we created just a single command in order to do more than one directory. So you can also do this. Mkdir here, mkdir my dir2, my dir3, or my dir3, my dir4, my special, and here as you can see here we created my dir1, 2, 3, 4, and my special dir here. So we can also use the cp copy files and directories command here. Actually, let me write it right down here. Yeah, cp, basically it's copies here. We can with this command we can copy files and directories. As I said, the cp command copies files and directories, and it can be used in 2 different ways. So we can also actually let's see what files we have. So this is our directory we will work in. Oops, this is our directory we're gonna work in, and this is our file we're gonna use the cp command here. So first you will cp, for example, file my copied file here, and ls, and as you can see we created my copied file. So we copied this file to this here. So we can also copy the single file or directory item 1 to the file or directory item 2. So we can also do that, for example, cp file, and after that we can also music here, and ls cd music and ls here, and as you can see here we copied our file inside our music directory here. That's it with basic introduction of cp command here. So you can also learn more information with man cp, and here as you can see here cp is for used copy files and directories, copy source or to destination or multiple source to a directory, and mandatory arguments to long options are mandatory for short options too. And as you can see we have archive, attributes only, backup, the reference, preserve links, and another commands here. So you can also learn more about the cp command. It's actually the most popular command, one of the most popular commands in Linux. So let's create an examples with it right now. And firstly let's actually use the mv command. mv command, as the name suggests, mv moves and is used for moving and renaming files in Linux. So the mv command performs both file and file renaming. So file moving and file renaming depending on how it is used. In either case, the original file name no longer exists after the operation. So mv used in much the same way as a cp. For example, mv, firstly we're gonna ls, mv file here, and after that my renamed file, and ls, and as you can see here we renamed our file, and the file no longer exists. Here with the mv commands, with e here, mve, this is the interactive means here. So before overwriting an existing file, prompt the user for confirmation. If the option is not specified, mv will silently overwrite files. So for example, let's try with this mv renamed file, and to old file, and ls, and as you can see this is specified without asking to do it or not. So let's actually learn about rm command here. rm here. Oops, actually let's make it a bit nicer. rm Here, this is, as the name suggests, remove here. So the rm command is used to remove, delete files and directories with just a single command. In order to do that, we're gonna actually go to here, clear rm here, and after that we will actually let ls, and as you can see we have file named old file, rm old file, and here as you can see we no longer have files here. So you can also use the same options and in the previous mv command. For example, you can also use the interactive, so touch some files, and here as you can see we created a new file. You can also rm here and test, and as you can see here now it asks for do we want to remove the file tsmd, and you can yes, and as you can see here our file is removed. We can also, in the previous lecture we did learn creating links and hard link symbolic links, which you will learn in more depth in next lecture. So I'm waiting your next lecture.